Alright guys, I'm literally fresh off work. I'm on my phone. I just want to get y'all this footage. We're making progress on Ironman's block. Trying to watch the road at the same time, y'all. But yeah, we're headed to the machine shop, and I'm barely making it for time. So, excuse me trying to drive and rush people in my way. But yeah, y'all know I tried to get the pistons and rods. I don't know if I told y'all, but I messed up one of the rods trying to get the piston out. So I bought new rods and I got new pistons. So I'm trying to get these to the machine shop to get them pressed on, man. So y'all hanging out with me, and we are headed to Fab. But we'll talk about that in a minute. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. But yeah, man, like I said, we're headed to Fab. And this is a real quick video because I got to go back to the GPS and I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. But real quick, we're headed to Fab, and this is the one machine shop that I've heard a lot of guys that do racing and different things. I heard a lot of good things about them. Heard they do great work, so getting ready to take these rods up here to let them put my pistons and rods together so we can get the bottom end back together in Ironman, and then we got a few more pieces we need for the heads. But let me get here and get these dropped off. If I got time to record, I know they're closing. But if I got time to record, I will record. If not, I just have to talk to y'all when I'm on the way home. Alright guys, just went into the machine shop. They were getting ready to close, so I didn't have time to record. But and when I tell you, it's like really nice inside of there, man. And I'm gonna give y'all just a quick 360. A lot of old schools out here. Show y'all what they got. Got a C10 over there. I really like this one. This is what I'm looking for out of Ironman. They got a Fox body over there. Got some old schools out here, man. They doing a lot of work out here, man. So I'm gonna get from out here, man, and maybe next time I come back, man, I can ask for a tour, and maybe I can bring my cameraman and y'all can see, because I got a lot of more work I need them to do. I don't know what's next for Ironman. I don't know if it's gonna be a 383 or 355, and you know, I don't know what's after the 383. You know, I kind of don't want to jump straight to a 383. I kind of want to jump from a 350 to a 355, 358, you know, something like that, and then go with a 383. But we'll just see how everything goes, man. Just see how everything goes, see how the channel goes. But yeah, man, I finally got that done. Let's see how I get up out of here. Hold on, y'all, give me a second. But yeah, man, find my way out. So let me get from down here in Kathleen. But yeah, man, the machine shop was actually really nice. My first time being in a machine shop, but man, when I tell you everything in there was nice and organized, it was like, okay, if I'm gonna bring my stuff to somebody, you know what I'm saying? Like, even if the price is expensive, I would rather pay somebody who looks like they organized and look like my stuff is gonna be taken care of. And this is definitely one of those places. But yeah, man, so let me give y'all a quick real talk, man. I'm gonna give y'all a quick real talk because I'm trying to drive. I don't have any kind of mount. I'm literally holding this phone, and my daily driver is a stick shift. So, you know, I'm gonna give y'all a real talk, and that gonna end this video. All right, man. My real talk for today is never let the devil or anybody trick you out your place. What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is anytime you in a good position, or anytime you might be, you know, somewhere where you feel like you're in a good position, and then all of a sudden adversity hits, and then you feel like, oh man, you know, I hate to dig into this thing, but you know what I'm saying, people feel like they don't want to be here anymore, if you get what I'm saying. But 9 times out of 10, well, I would say not 9 times out of 10, let me say it like this, 10 times out of 10 it's a trick. It's literally the enemy, or whoever you want to say, trying to trick you to not be here anymore, because there's a purpose, and there's a purpose for you being here. And that, I don't know what you want to call it, the devil or whatever you want to call it, is trying to trick you to, you know, do something to yourself. so that you are no longer here, because there's some kind of calling over your life. How do I know that? Right. Let me make this make sense. If you got a garden, right? You got a garden. Anybody that has ever gardened or had a garden will know how hard it is to keep the bugs and things off of your plants. But let's just say you just got a yard with just regular grass. There's nothing to do, because you don't care. The bugs really, I mean, they out there, but they not an issue, because you don't have anything of value, so they don't attack. All good things will be attacked. I should tell you that. Anything you got good will be attacked, right? If you got a marriage, or you got a company, you have a nice house, you have a nice life, all good things will be attacked. I just got to tell you that. If you want somebody's life, be prepared to fight for it. You know what I mean? Like, that's just how it is. But, you know, like I was saying before, man, you know, a lot of times there's a calling or a purpose over you. And, you know, sometimes we have these crazy thoughts like, oh, man, and, you know what I'm saying, quote unquote, I don't want to be here anymore, you know, because life has just gotten that bad for you, man. But, you know, if you just take time to, I believe in prayer, take time to pray about this thing and continuously pray about it. You know, continuously pray about it, and be intentional about your prayer. Be specific about, you know what I'm saying, what you need. Like, hey, God, you know, it's getting rough. It's getting rough and getting rough at this job. You know, I need another one. You know, and be specific. Be specific about what kind of job you're looking for. Hey, God, I need something Monday through Friday. I need $30 an hour. I need 8-hour shifts. You know what I'm saying? You have to continuously pray about this stuff, and, you know what I'm saying, not accept anything until God sends you what you want. I've done this multiple times with jobs. It actually works. I've actually gotten, like, literally exactly what I asked for, but I had to be patient. So, you know, I just say you have to be patient. You have to wait, and, you know, don't fall into that trick, man. Don't fall into that trick, because as men, man, it's already hard enough out here for us being men, and for sure we need to stay out here, because we are the balance for society, man. But that's it. That's all I got for my real talk for today, man. Y'all, appreciate y'all for tuning in for this little quick one, man. It wasn't much to it, just getting the raws dropped off at the shop. Just something for me to post, because I ain't posted in about 10 days. So, yeah, man. Y'all like, subscribe, hit that bell, and be ready for Iron Man to be fired up, because that's probably the next thing y'all gonna see.